Hello students, welcome to all 4C learning classes. Okay, today's topic we discussed about the potential due to some uniformly charged bodies. Okay, so in this first one we have what is uniformly charged long wire. Potential due to uniformly charged bodies, and that too first one is uniformly charged a long wire. So for example, now let us consider a uniformly charged long wire. Okay, let us take it is given a positive charge here. A positive charge plus Q is given to the wire, which is uniformly distributed. Okay, here lambda be the linear charge density. What is lambda here? Linear charge density. Lambda be the linear charge density. And what is the charge given? Lambda is equals to, we may write the charge per unit length Q by L. Okay, so already by using Gauss law we are calculated the electric field intensity by the long wire. Okay, so let us assume this is one of the Gaussian surface. Okay, when it is a Gaussian surface, if we calculated the electric field intensity at a distance r, we derived already equation for electric field intensity due to uniformly charged wire. Okay, now what is the electric field intensity at the point P? Electric field intensity at the point P by these uniformly charged wire. Electric field intensity E is equals to, okay, we know that lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. What is E is equals to? Lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. So this is already we proved it by using Gauss laws. Okay, one of the application in the Gauss law. But here we should calculate the potential. Okay, we need to find the potential. Okay, potential due to uniformly charged long wire is V. But what is, we know the E, can we calculate V by using the relation of E and V? We know that what is, we know that E is equals to minus of dV by dr. What is E is equals to minus of dV by dr. The relation between electric field intensity and potential E is equals to minus of dV by dr. From this equation, what is dV is equals to minus E dr. Integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. Integration of dV is equals to minus integration of E dot dr. Okay, what is integration of dV is equals to V, here minus, what is E value? Lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r dr. Okay, V is equals to minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught is constant, integration of 1 by r dr. That is V is equals to minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught integration of 1 by r log r, okay, plus C constant of integration. This is about the expression for potential due to uniformly charged long wire. Okay, what is potential due to uniformly charged long wire at a distance r is V is equals to minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught log base E r. Okay, this is the first applications. First one, uniformly charged long wire. The second body is potential due to uniformly charged non-conducting plane sheet. Uniformly charged non-conducting non-conducting plane sheet. Okay. Now let us take, this is a uniformly charged non-conducting plane sheet. Given a positive charge here. Okay. If Q be the charge given to this plane sheet, okay, if Q be the charge given to the plane sheet, and let sigma be the surface charge density here. What is sigma here? Surface charge density. What is surface charge density can be written as sigma is equals to Q by A. The charge per unit area is called as a surface charge density. Here we are taking a metal plane sheet. A positive charge Q is given to this non-conducting plane sheet which is uniformly distributed. Okay, and sigma be the surface charge density. And here also we are calculated the electric field intensity due to non-conducting plane sheet. What is electric field intensity? Is electric field intensity due to non-conducting plane sheet. Non-conducting plane sheet is, okay, what is E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught be the electric field intensity. But we need to find potential. Again here also we know that E is equals to what is minus of dV by dr. E is equals to minus of dV by dr. From this equation dV is equals to minus E dr. Again integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. Okay, that is integration of dV is equals to minus integration of E dot dr. That is integration of dV is V. Okay, minus what is E value is lambda sigma by 2 epsilon naught into dr. That is V is equals to minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught integration of dr. Therefore, V is equals to minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught integration of dr is R. Okay. So, this is about the potential due to uniformly charged plane sheet. Potential due to infinitely long charged wire is lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught of log base E R. Here V is equals to minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught R. And the third one is uniformly charged. Third one, potential due to uniformly charged conducting sphere. Uniformly charged conducting sphere. Okay, now let us consider a sphere of radius capital R. Let us assume this is a sphere of radius capital R. What is conducting means the charge given to the sphere is resides on the surface, which resides only on the surface. Let us take this is a charge plus Q is given to the non-conducting sphere, which is uniformly distributed over the surface. Okay, what is the charge given? Capital Q. Now we need to find the potential due to these conducting sphere at three different positions. First one, at a point P outside the sphere. Okay, this is the center of the sphere O. What is first one is, at any point P outside the sphere. We should calculate the potential at any point outside this conducting sphere. Okay. Now what is here? Point P is there at a distance of r from the center. And what is here? Intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field at any point outside the sphere. Intensity of electric field at any point outside the conducting sphere. Outside the conducting sphere. Outside the conducting sphere is, what is E is equals to here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the charge here? Capital Q means capital Q. And what is the distance of the point P from the center? R. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Okay. This is the electric field intensity. But we need to find potential. And again, we know that E is equals to minus of dV by dr. What is E is equals to? Minus of dV by dr. Again dV is equals to minus E dr. Integrate on both sides. Integration of dV is equals to minus integration of E dr. Okay. So what is integration of dV? Again here V. And what is the value of E? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. Q by R square into dr. Here V is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant. Outside the integration, what is the rest of the terms? Integration of 1 by R square dr. So it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square dx, can be written as minus 1 by x. So here it becomes minus 1 by r. V is equals to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught of minus 1 by r. Okay. Therefore, V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r be the potential at any point outside the conducting sphere. What is, if Q be the charge given to the sphere, charge given to the conducting sphere of radius r, if we calculate the potential at any point outside the conducting sphere, then what is its value is V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r. Now at any point on the surface, second one in this only, here this is a first one, in the third one again first second case again, at any point on the surface, at any point on the surface. See, at any point on the surface means what is here? We may calculating the potential at any point on the surface. In such condition, what is small r is equals to capital R. That is small r is equals to capital R. Just small r is replaced by capital R in this equation. What you will get? Potential V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, instead of small r it is a capital R. This is potential at any point on the surface of the conducting sphere. Okay, at any point outside the sphere is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by small r. At any point on the surface is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R. And third one, in this, at any point inside the conducting sphere, inside the conducting sphere, okay, see here, we need to find electric potential at any point inside the conducting sphere. So that what is electric field intensity at any point inside the conducting sphere is 0. Electric field intensity E is equals to 0. E is equals to 0. Electric field intensity at any point inside the sphere is 0. But what is the relation between E and V? We know that again. We know that E is equals to minus of dV by dr. So can we write like this? Therefore, dV by dr is equals to 0. E value 0, minus dV by dr is equals to 0. dV by dr is equals to 0. dV by dr is equals to 0 means at any point outside the sphere, what is the potential? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital Q by small r. At any point on the surface, what is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R. Now, dV by dr is equals to 0 means from the surface to at any point on the surface with respect to the position, R value, what is the derivative of potential from the surface to the center is 0. Derivative of V is equals to 0 means V is constant. What is V value? Is a constant here, because derivative of V is equals to 0. That V means V is constant. See, when V is constant, what about those constant values? Constant value on the surface is V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. So, on the surface to at any point inside the sphere, not only at any point on the surface, you may take at any point inside the sphere. At any point inside the sphere or center of the sphere, the potential value remains the same, which is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. Okay, so this is about the potential due to uniformly charged conducting sphere. At any point outside, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by small r. At any point on the surface, V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by capital R. And at any point inside and including the center, what is the potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. For suppose if we plot a graph by taking the distance on x-axis and potential on y-axis, okay, potential of the conducting sphere on y-axis and the distance from center to the point P where we are calculating the potential is on the x-axis. If you are observing the graph, here V and R graph, VR graph for conducting sphere. Okay, now let us take xy coordinate system. Let us take on x-axis, here we are taking distance r, okay, on the y-axis here we are taken the potential V. Okay, see, this is a origin. R value is 0 here. See, when R is equal to 0 means we are calculating the potential at the center or not? Calculated the potential at the center of the non-conducting sphere. At the center of the non-conducting sphere, what is the potential is not 0, it having certain value, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. So let us take, when R value increases from center to the point P on the surface, small r value is increasing up to the surface. Up to the surface means, let us take, this is a point where small r is equals to capital R. Small r is equals to capital R. Until that small r is equals to capital R, the potential value remains the same here. Potential at any point inside the sphere is same. From center to at any point up to the on the surface, you may take any point. From center, what is at the center? R0 means center. Potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Now R value goes on increasing up to it reaches to the small r is equal to capital R, the potential value remains the same. So the graph will be like this. Okay, up to small r is equal to capital R, what is V is constant. What about those constant values? V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Or we may let us take, this is a Vs, potential on the surface. And once the value is beyond the capital R, small r is greater than capital R. When what is small r is greater than capital R means at any point outside. At any point outside the sphere, we got what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Q is constant, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is also constant. So V is inversely proportional to the R. So when R value increasing, potential value will be decreasing. The graph will be like this. Okay. Okay, this is small r is greater than capital R in this region. So V proportional to 1 by R. R increases, potential value will be decreases. Here when R is equal to 0 to R is equal to capital R, what is the potential is constant, which is Vs. Where what is Vs here? Vs is the potential on the surface, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. This is a Vs value here. Okay. If the question may be asked like this, for example, you may take a 10 coulombs of charge is uniformly distributed over the sphere. 10 coulombs of charge. What is capital Q is here? 10 coulombs of charge is uniformly distributed over the now conducting sphere. The radius of the sphere is 10 centimeters. Radius of the sphere is 10 centimeters. Now what is a potential at any point, okay, at a distance of 20 centimeters from its center. 20 centimeters from its center. A charge 10 coulombs is uniformly distributed over the conducting sphere of radius 10 centimeter. Calculate the potential at a distance of 20 centimeters from it. What is in such condition? What is the formula here? Small r is greater than capital R. When small r is greater than capital R, okay, here what is the formula we are using? So when small r is greater than capital R means at any point outside. At any point outside, what is the formula? V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by small r. We know that what is its value will be 9 into 10 power 9. And what is the capital Q is given? 10 coulombs. And what is R value is 20 centimeters. Convert into meters. That is 2 into 10 power minus 1. Okay. 9 by 2, that is 4.5. 10 power 10 plus 1, 10 to the power of 11 volts. Okay. But at any point on the surface means, on the surface, what happens? On the surface, small r is equals to capital R. That is V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by capital R. What is its value again? V is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. What is capital Q is 10, and what is the radius of the conducting sphere is 10 centimeter, 10 power minus 1. So V is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 11 volts at any point on the surface. Now at any point inside the surface and center, potential at any point inside and center of the sphere also remains the same, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 11 only. Only at any point outside, along with respect to the distance, the potential value will be decreases. If you are observing these two, what is R value, V potential value at any point outside is 4.5 into 10 power 11 only, but on the surface it is maximum. On the surface 9 into 10 power 11. If you are observing these graph is also, on the surface the value will be maximum. Once small r is greater than capital R, what happens? Potential value will be decreases. This is not only on the surface, at the center and also at any point inside the non-conducting sphere. Okay. One is given like this. If a charge of 20 microcoulomb is uniformly distributed of a non-conducting sphere of radius 20 centimeters. Non-conducting sphere of radius 20 centimeters. Now calculate the potential. First one at R is equals to 30 centimeters. Second one, small r is equals to 20 centimeters. And third one, small r is equals to 5 centimeters. See, what is the radius is here 20 centimeters. But we should calculating the potential at a distance of 30, means at any point outside. Okay, first one, what is the formula? V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by small r, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. What is capital Q value is 20 microcoulomb, 20 into 10 power minus 6. And what is small r is 30 centimeter, 3 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 20 into 3, 60 into 10 power 3 plus 1, 4, or 6 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. Okay, this is about the potential at a distance of 30 centimeters from the center. Okay, one. Next one, what is second one? At a distance of 20 centimeters, V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by, same 20 centimeters means on the surface, that is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. And what is capital Q is 20 microcoulomb, 20 into 10 power minus 6. And again 20 centimeter, 20 into 10 power minus 2. 20 get cancelled, which is 9 into 10 power 3 plus 2, 9 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. Now at a distance of 5 centimeters, listen carefully, at a distance of 5 centimeters means it is inside the conducting sphere. Okay, but don't take small r is equal to 5 centimeters here. Don't use this formula. R is 5, radius is 20 centimeter, R is 5 centimeters means we are calculating the potential inside the conducting sphere. For inside the conducting sphere, what is the formula again? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So for third also, what is for second and third, the answer remains the same, that is 9 into 10 power 5. But first one, at any point outside is 6 into 10 power 5 volts, here 9 into 10 power 5 volts. Okay, so this is about the potential due to the different types of charged bodies. Okay.